In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Shopify affiliate program. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official program page, start your application, and review the key payout sections so you understand what you're agreeing to before you promote. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Shopify affiliate program. From the results, choose the official Shopify link so you're on the real program page, not a third-party blog. Once you're there, look for the affiliate program area and open it. This page explains who the program is for, the benefits, and what Shopify expects from partners. When you're ready, select Apply Now. This takes you to Shopify's application flow, which is hosted by Impact, the affiliate platform that manages tracking and payouts. On the Impact page, you'll see promotional messaging about turning your influence into income. Use that section to proceed to the registration. Continue to the Sign Up option to start the application. You'll land on a contract or program preview. Don't rush here. This is where you confirm the details that affect your earnings. Open the Payout Details section and read carefully. Note how and when payments are made, the threshold you must reach before payment is issued, and which payout methods are supported in your region. Next, open Payout Restrictions. This part covers rules like prohibited traffic sources, coupon or trademark bidding policies, and any geographic or audience limitations. Understanding these helps you avoid actions that could forfeit commissions. You'll also see line items describing how commissions are structured, often grouped by things like free trial, paid trial, or retained full-price shops over a certain period. These describe when a referral qualifies and what conditions must be met for you to earn. Terms can change, so always rely on what you see on your screen at the time you apply. As you scroll, you'll come across highlighted confirmations, such as acknowledging the contract and policies. Click the highlighted fields to confirm you've read and accepted the terms. Be accurate with your business details, website, or social profiles, and how you plan to promote Shopify. Clear, honest information helps reviewers assess your application quickly. A few practical tips as you wrap up this stage. Use an email you check often. Be ready to disclose your audience demographics and traffic sources, and plan to follow standard affiliate disclosure guidelines in your content. With the key sections reviewed and the highlighted confirmations completed, you're set to move forward and start building a compliant, sustainable income with the Shopify affiliate program.